Has updated. We've got an update on radar.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for Huron County in north-central Arkansas, northeastern Conway County in central Arkansas, east central Pope, P.O.P.E. County in central Arkansas until 10 p.m. At 9:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Jerusalem, or 14 miles northeast of Russellville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
Second tornado warning.
Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clinton, Jerusalem, Claude, Cleveland, Choctaw, Appleton, Beveridgetown, Austin and Conway County, Brock Creek Campground, Scotland, Culpeper, Formosa, Coglesville, Crabtree, Oak Grove and Pope. P.O.P.E. County.
Aspects